Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I have an ear massage tutorial for you so that you can learn how to do ear massage, also known as auricular therapy or massage. And this is an auricular chart that's got all the different places on your body that are connected to your ear. This is why it's so important to learn how to do ear massage, because you can stimulate your ear and stimulate all parts of your body, just like your feet and your hands. It will reflex to all different parts of your body. And this came with a book that I bought by Terry Olison about ear massage. And the acupuncturist will stick little pins, little needles in your ears to stimulate them to help you to function, your body to function better, and your mind as well. And so let's get started with massaging our ears. Now, consider this to be like an upside down fetus, and your head being here and the spine being here. And then the organs all being inside your ear, this area, like your arm would be up here. And so if you go like this, you're stimulating your head. And the main thing to remember, like all massage, is that if you feel a tight and sore spot, you need to stick with that and like work that area and dig it out. And so this would be like more like neck, right in here. And the more you move up this ridge, the more you're going down the spine. So this would be cervical spine. This would be the middle back, thoracic spine. And then this up here would be the lumbar spine. And a lot of times people are really sore all along this ridge. So just work your way along it and find the places that are tight and sore. Every day for my good health, I use one of these wooden spine rollers to crack and massage my back. And I'm telling you, it's absolutely fan-freaking-tastic. You just take it and put it on the ground, preferably on a yoga mat. You lay back on it. And it will massage and crack your back like nobody's business. Hope I'm in the camera good. Sometimes you have to really pinch and dig stuff out. And if your ears are really sore, you really need this. Feel up here too. You can flip your hand over and use the thumb more so than the finger to work on certain spots. So now I'm working on this upper ridge here, and I'm doing that by flipping my hand over like that. Okay, so you can work your way down the ear incrementally. Perfect. And when you're looking down all day on your computer, or you're crocheting, or you're throwing a pot, or doing dishes, or whatever you're doing, then it's so awesome to be able to put this roller right on your dowager's hump area. Right up there you'll get a massive muscle, and you'll become a hunchback with a forward head posture if you don't do something to counteract the effects of looking down all day. That's what this product is for. Additionally, like I said, it's fantastic for cracking your back. So I would love to make you one. They're all natural, wood and latex rubber and steel. They'll last for your whole lifetime. They're really beautiful. So you get down to the bottom, and you can pinch in the corners too. Now, inside the ear is where the organs are, and you can feel a ridge on the inside of the ear. You feel that ridge? Right in the middle of that is where stomach is. So if you've got a stomach ache, massage that deeply. If you want to stimulate your liver, go back just a little bit on that ridge. And you might use your thumb like that. Now go towards the front. Can't remember what that is. Maybe that's stomach. Like I said, the most important thing to remember here is to just massage wherever it's tight, hard, and sore. When I first started doing auricular massage, when I first started doing reflexology, all the massage, my ears were so tight and sore, it was ridiculous. Every one of you should own one of these awesome millet hole pillows. Look at how that holds my head up so nicely. And it doesn't go flat like feathers. It doesn't outgas chemicals like foam pillows. It totally molds to my head, neck, and shoulders and supports my spine so that my head and spine are aligned. That's what prevents your neck from getting sore in the morning. You can massage around, go like this too. Feels good to alternate fingers in between the ears. You can bend it like that, you can push it up like that. This is like exercise for your ears. Okay, stick your fingers in your ears like that. And then go all the way around and start in the middle. Go all the way around until you come to the outside, like that. Okay. So I hope that you enjoyed this ear massage tutorial. Please support my channel by going to brettsnaturalhealth.com. My millet hole pillows, every one of you should own one of them. They're absolutely fantastic. They're the best sleep that you'll ever get. And they last a long time. They're all natural and organic. And right now they're on sale for anywhere from $45 for the undyed to $55 for the colored cases. Thanks so much for joining me. Check out all my different products. I hope that you are well. Bye. People say I'm alive for the particles. I tell a joke or two. Although I might be laughing loud and hard and deep inside I'm blue. So take a good look at my face. You see my smile, it seems out of place. If you look closely, it's easy to trace the tracks of my tears.